Excuse me, ma'am. Can I just be your mask? Because you're looking very cute, and I want to protect from all the guys. Yeah, I'm saying something which is I'm not able to control my feelings. It's a feeling of love. You are absolutely gorgeous. So I thought,
Do I know you?
yeah, my name is I love you. What is my name?
I love you.
I love you too.
Oh shit.
Thank you so much for loving me. By the way, my name is AJ. What's your name?
My name is Akansha.
Akansha. Akansha AJ. See, it's just like Akansha weds AJ. शादी में जरूर आना.
No.
हाँ. तो तुम्हारी आईज बहुत अच्छी है.
Really?
वैसे बाय द वे तुम्हें अगर एतराज ना हो तो हम कॉफी पे जा सकते हैं. Seems like you are a coffee person.
Yeah, I do like coffee, but how do you know?
I know everything, baby. That's why I love you so much. पूरा आसमान जमीन एक कर दूंगा तुम्हारे लिए, पता है? बस कभी दुनिया से मत लड़ने बोलना.
क्यों?
तुम मेरी दुनिया हो ना, तुमसे नहीं लड़ सकता बेबी. हर्ट होगा मुझे. आई एम सो सॉरी, मैं नहीं लड़ सकता. बट कभी तुम्हें अगर कॉफी बनाना हो तो मैं बना दूंगा कॉफी. आई मेक गुड कॉफी, यू नो.
Okay.
तुम्हें प्यार हो जाएगा.
किससे? कॉफी से या?
पहले कॉफी से, उसके बाद मुझसे. अब तुमने आई लव यू बोल ही दिया, अब मुझे कितना प्यार करोगी?
नहीं बोला है. अरे नहीं बोला.
What is my name?
I love you.
I love you too. Yeah. There is no words in the dictionary, you know,
So what?
how much beautiful you are.
Is it?
Yeah. मैं पूरा डिक्शनरी ढूंढ ढूंढ के थक गया हूँ. हाँ, तुम जैसी लड़की नहीं ढूंढ पाऊंगा. You know? Yeah.
अच्छा.
You are really matching my style.
Am I?
Yeah.
Like?
Wifey. What happened? Yeah.
Nothing.
You going somewhere?
Yeah, I was actually going. I had some work, so yeah.
Okay. Even I have some work. Can we just go ahead and complete the marriage registration?
Marriage?
Yeah.
You and me?
Yeah, you ready? Your smiling seems like you're ready for now.
No, I'm not.
Why, baby?
No.
Smile if you want to marry me. Smile if you want to eagerly marry me.
काही. काही.
Yeah. काही नाही, हे प्रेम आहे तुझ्यावर. कधी
कधी
तुला
झालं पण?
फर्स्ट लव
आता-
झालंय?
आता-
तुला
आता-
कधी फर्स्ट लव झालंय?
नाही.
म्हणून आज झालंय. तुला आणि मला.
हो.
हो हो बोललीस तू.
नाही.
हो हो दोघांनाही झालंय. सी यू नो द रिझन वाय युअर हाईट इज लाईक माझ्यापेक्षा कमी काय आहे माहितीये तुला हाईट?
का?
कारण तू माझी हार्ट बीट ऐकू शकतेस ना म्हणून. यू कॅन से आय लव्ह यू.
God.
So would you mind we can exchange the number?
But I don't know you. I don't know you properly.
You know my name.
Oh,
What is my name?
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
if you love me, then give me your number. See, your smile is cute.
no, I don't know you.
So you can tell your Instagram ID. I can just ping you on Instagram. Maybe I can beg you for number. Give me your number on Instagram.
My Instagram is Akansha.
Just Akansha.
Yeah.
5 times A and Akansha. Okay.
Get me there.
Yeah.
So you can ask me for number.
I'm also getting you here. Yeah. So you are dating someone?
No, I'm single.
Why you are lying? You're dating now? You're dating me?
When did that
You're cheating on me.
When did that happen? ते कधी झालं?
Yeah.
नाही.
तुझ्याकडे काही ऑप्शन आहेत का मला रिजेक्ट करायचे? आहे?
Why am I supposed to say yes?
म्हणजे तुझ्याकडे नाही आहेत ऑप्शन मला रिजेक्ट करण्यासाठी. You mean to say you have dating me? You have started dating me.
No, I have not.
Then why you are smiling?
Because you making me smile.
See, that's what I want. You ready to smile lifetime?
I can't do it.
Yeah, come on, baby. Just tell me you love me. I love you.
So, what were you doing here?
I am just going somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm from Mumbai. So you basically from Pune?
Yes, I'm from Pune.
So what's your hobby?
My hobby is I'm a makeup and hair artist.
Mm-hmm.
So मी पुणेकर, तू मुंबईकर. Nice.
Let's make love.
मुंबई पुणे मुंबई.
Mumbai, Pune, Mumbai. Yeah. See, you're blushing.
I'm not blushing. Babu.
बघू कधी
Babu.
का असं
असं
तुला विश्वास नाहीये माझ्यावर.
असं नाहीये काय.
म्हणजे विश्वास आहे.
I just met you now.
So what?
So
जिसको अगर क्या बोलते हैं बिछड़ना हो तो 10 साल के बाद भी बिछड़ जाता है और जिसको अगर मिलना हो तो 1 सेकंड में भी मिल जाता है.
I know.
सही बोला.
Yeah, you're right.
I am always right. Because see, you are beside with me. You are at right side. You know which material is this?
Which cotton?
It's a boyfriend material. So, by the way, I am not searching any option. Like, I do not have any option to reject you. I like your eyes, I like your smile, I like your dressing style, I like your hair, and see, I like your standing style also. हर एक चीज से पसंद है तू.
अच्छा. अब जैसे ऐसे पसंद
एक सेकंड.
What happened?
क्यूटनेस है ना, जा नहीं रहा है. See, this is what I want. I exactly want to see your smile every day.
Is it?
Yeah,
You want me to see smiling all the time?
exactly.
That's great.
But उसका रीजन मैं होना चाहिए.
Okay.
तो मुझे अपना स्माइल का रीजन बनाओगी? What's my name?
I love you.
I love you too.
Sure. What's your name, by the way? Really?
My name is AJ. Like people call me AJ, but you can call me tonight. What's my name?
AJ. Shut up. I'm not calling you that again. You can call me tonight. Acha. Wow.
So, do you like to date smart guys?
असं नाहीये काही. Smart guys. They should be true and loyal. That's what I do.
Just like me. Yeah, I'll be true and loyal.
To me?
Yeah.
Let's see then.
Yeah.
See what we can do.
Okay, I love you.